ang comedy ay pangpa wala ng stress. Ang negosyo ay pangpagana sa ating ekonomiya. Voices with different stories. Wonderful creations. For great imaginations. Ang hari ng comedy. Action star Rin to protect the consumers. At ang hari ng negosyo. Moxiong kasiyahan ang bitbit sa SM Supermalls. Para sa magandang negosyo. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine Business with your Denver Ninong Castro as Henry C. and a special guest Nathaniel Takero as Dolphy. Kuzkusan Moang Sapatos ni Tatong Gualaba si Dolphy. Studying the Toy Kingdom and Baby Company of SM Supermalls. And discovering Henry C's relation to Dolphy in SM. Simulcast on Ninong TV Facebook and YouTube November 23, 2023. Henry C, the King of Philippine Business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show. And entertainment.
Okay, good afternoon to all of you and what's up? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscriber. And today is another action of learning the businesses of your Tito Henry na ngayon may pagka-clown sa datingan. Parang komedya, no? So parang may special show tayong gagawin dito sa ating Henry C's The King of Philippine Business TV Vlog, no? Yes, we will have a special show dahil ngayon hindi lang po tayo business, meron din tayong gagawing special program na talagang part ng ating day. When it comes to comedy, komedya, comedy jokes, tawanan, so sino nga bang naisip natin pag nakabanggit tayo ng salitang comedy? And it will be the king of comedy, Mr. Dolphy Quezon. Yes. Dahil dito sa ating business lesson, ay magkakaroon din pala tayo ng business connection with Dolphy and Henry C na hindi natin alam. My goodness. Meron din pala silang connection in what matters. No? At matidiscover natin yan dito sa ating vlog na ito. At ito ang kuskusin mo ang sapatos ni Tatang, lalabas si Dolphy. Studying the Toy Kingdom and Baby Company of SM Supermalls and discovering Henry C's relation to Dolphy in SM. Of course, ang di natin nalalaman, ang inyong Tito Henry ay favorite at idol din ko si Dolphy. Because for 2 years, ang mga pelikula rin ni Dolphy ay pinapalabas sa SM. But not under that, mayroon din siyang mga some of the scenes or movie shows promoting movie or anything under by SM and Dolphy. Okay, so ano nga bang meron sa kanya? Bukod sa siya King of Comedy, we will have here is a special guest named Nathaniel Takero and also my coworker. So makakasama natin siya bilang isang vlogger and also a new talent. Came from Ninong TV. Siya ang magbibigay ng slide dito sa Dolphy. Kung ano nga bang meron sa kanya and how he do the comedy slide to discover and to know him. Check it out.
Tulfo Vera Quezon Senior. DCGH, better known by his stage name Tol and Gulay, was a Filipino-Canadian and actor. He is widely regarded as the country king of comedy for his comedic talent embodied by his long roster of works on stage, radio, television, and movies.
Sorry po, Mr. Mac. Di na po mauulit.
Dapat. Pangitian kayo. Pangitian kayo. Kakapat sa yung ngiti mo. Laki mo yung ngiti mo. Ngiting aso yun sa'yo, ha? Ulitin mo. Ngiting bakla yun sa'yo, eh. Solo ka ba ng gitara o kakanta ko?
Ikaw, kakanta.
Ang haba na pasakali mo eh. Maiksi lang.
Maiksi. Oh, kanta na. Arigo.
Sumobra naman na iksi.
Sabi mo maiksi.
Okay. So, balik Henry, naman ang Tito Henry nyo ngayon. Para na naman tayong bumalik sa toothpaste. Kalahating Dolphy, kalahating Henry. So, but anyway, it will have a very connection because after we discover Dolphy, no, talagang of his comedy slide, his program, pero hindi lang naman comedy because sa hindi nating maiwasang palabas ni Mr. Dolphy ay hindi lang po comedy ang kaya niyang gawin. He can also do action, he can also do drama, even horror pa nga kung minsan, di ba? And even yung mga romantic, kung ano-ano na halo-halo. Kaya for me, he's not only king of comedy, but for me, he's a king of multitasking celebrity. Kasi he can do anything. Pati nga pagiging girl lalo. Diba? O, si Tito Dolphy, napapanood natin sa mga palabas niya, nagiging girl siya, nagiging boy, anything. Even a monster. Literal. Ano nga bang pelikula yun? Yung kay kasama kay Maricel Soriano, yung parang may ininom ata siyang, I think, alak or gamot. Tapos na-stress siya sa mga anak niya, naging Incredible Hulk, nagwala, nagtapon-tapon na po ano. So, I don't know that movie title, pero napanood ko siya at talagang na-amaze ako. Dolphy can do anything, di ba? Hindi lang comedy, hindi lang action, halo-halo na. Not at the end, comedy pa rin, di ba? Ang Tito Dolphy natin. Of course, dahil dyan, napag-uusapan natin ang kanyang pagiging multitasking and his presentation like a clown or a comedian that can bring imagination. Sabi ni SpongeBob, imagination. Sa pagkaganyang multitasking at imaginative ang ating Tito Dolphy, bagay na bagay sa atin ang ating mga kabataan dito. So, the kids play. Siyempre, ang Tito Henry nyo rin, gusto rin maging makulay. So, we will have here is the Toy Kingdom and Baby Company businesses of your Mr. Henry C. Ano-ano nga bang meron dito sa kanyang businesses na Toy Kingdom at Baby Company? The Toy Kingdom is a large toy store chain owned and developed by the SM Group by the late Chinese Filipino Taipan Henry C. Sr. along with its corporation name, the International Toy World Incorporated. It features a variety of toys, gizmos, and gadgets. So, mga laruan o mga chikiting natin na mahilig sa toys, di ba? So, dito natin na ibubuhos ang ating imagination. And even sa toys, madidiscover dito yung mga action figure, mga Barbie, comedy, mga educational toy, mga horror toys. So, lahat-lahat. So, parang yung creation lang ni Dolphy is naririto rin sa Toy Kingdom. Just like yung kanyang pagiging happy person, yung kanyang malasakit sa mga bata. Literal kasi comedy, siyempre tumatawa tayo. And of course, for giving a happy, diba? And every time we play his movies, diba? So, we will discover also here is yung baby company na isa sa mga businesses at partner ng Toy Kingdom. Siyempre, pag bagong silang ka, baby company ka muna, alam nga mag-Toy Kingdom ka agad, mamaya kumain ng mga kamay ng dinosaur yung baby mo. O, diba? So, baby company muna tayo bago mag-Toy Kingdom. So, started on September 1991. Wala pa ako nito nandito na siya. So, 1991 as the one-stop baby specialist hub for moms, whether new, expecting, or experienced baby products for feeding, caring, protecting, playing, dressing up, traveling with your baby. So, you will discover here the baby company and Toy Kingdom production of your Henry C. So, check it out.
Wag. Maria Mercedes C. Kusina ito, huwag ka maglaro dito. Sa playground ka maglaro.
Okay, so thank you for watching. We've just discovered the Toy Kingdom, the baby company, and the production of Dolphy. By the way, Nathaniel Toquero, thank you very much for having you as my special guest in this program. You role as Dolphy na nakuha mo naman kahit pa paano. Oh, ikaw si Dolphy nung mga 1980s. Oo. Pagka guwapito, may bigote siya nung araw. So, for the next episode, of course, how Henry C. discover or meet Dolphy. At ano kanilang mga naging business connection when it comes to product, promoting the movies of Dolphin SM, promoting the products of Dolphin SM, etc. So, ano nga ba ang pwedeng gawin ni Dolphy sa SM? Aside from shopping, yung mga tao, yung mga viewers natin na sana all, nakakita kay Dolphin noon sa SM, nagpa-selfie, nakita si Dolphin kumakain or nagsishopping sa SM. You are very lucky. I-comment mo na yan dito sa ating comment box. I see Dolphy eating in French Baker. I see Dolphy eating in Jollibee or shopping in the SM, etc. etc. So now we will discover how Dolphy meet the SM or ano bang mga connection na ginawa doon ni Tito Dolphy niyo. So you will check it out.
Isa 27. Says behind my back, madulugi si Henry dito. One real estate agent, she was so persistent that selling me every time when she buy a pair of shoes, she was selling me a lot. I gave it into her.
Aray! Sorry, kala ko na kita eh.
Ano nga anak? Ang pangit-pangit mo?
Pangit daw. Ah! Siya nga hinihintay mo eh.
Dad, pabibili sana ako sa'yo ng bag. Ang ganda-ganda ng bag. Pabili.
Yung bag?
Oo.
Yung bag ang maganda?
Oo. Yun
Baka
o.
si Kisada sa maganda para sa'yo.
Ang ganda, no?
Bakit? Wala. May nalaglagaw sa akin. Kala niyo maisahan niyo ako? Hoy, chief of police to.
Dad, para naman wala ho kayong tiwala sa akin.
Sa'yo may tuwala ako. Pero kay Kisadas mahirap na. Pa 3-pointers yun eh.
Dad, alam ko naman yung ginagawa ko eh.
Sasagot ka pa eh. Sampalin kita sa harap ng 2,032 tao eh. Kaya. Sino yun?
Ha?
Sino yun? Ayoko nakipagkita kay Kisadas ha. Makapal ang mukha nun. Isipin mo, pag ginawa mo pa yan, padadala kita sa Amerika. Nalalamig pa kamay mo sa nervyos.
Hindi ko kasama eh. Kaya, si Rowena.
Di ba nakaliksada?
Opo, anak ka ni John Paul? Pero wag niyo na lang kung sabihin na nandito ako.
Oo nga, hindi niya alam na kasama kami.
Magsishopping pala kayo ako eh.
Napauwi namin.
Wala kang pera
Nag-iipon na ako eh.
Sige na, makautakan mo pa ako eh.
Pwede yung makairam?
Wala akong pera.
Sige. Bye-bye.
Ano siya? May magdala.
May resulta. Sige, mabuti naman. Tsaka pag nakita mo si Kisadas, pauwiin mo na ha.
Nandito ba siya?
Ba, baka dumating eh ha.
Tara na. Sige, uwi na kami.
Sige.
Sige, tanda mo biniling ko. Hoy, ikaw naman kung umalis dito ha. Pupunta lang sa men's department. Tanda mo sinabi ko makaalis ha.
Dito lang ako sa ladies'
Oo.
department.
I-set natin na ibang araw ang date. Ibang lugar.
Hindi pwede.
Bakit?
Ganda ng tela nito ah. Alam mo si Kisadas? Nasa tabi-tabi lang yun. May sapalos yun eh. Gagawa ng paraan yun para makarating dito.
Dad! Shopping lang naman ang ginawa ko eh. Wala naman akong katagpo. Shopping? Di ba pwede
Shopping?
yun?
Kanina ka pa rito? Ni lipstick ni medyas, hindi ka pa nakabili? Hinihintay mo siya, no?
Sir, no smoking mo dito. Pwede yung pakipatay ninyo ang sigarilyo nyo?
Papatayin ko talaga si Kisadas pag nakita ko. Papatayin ko talaga ito. Sorry ah. Papatayin talaga kita. Papatayin kita.
Sinabi ko na sa'yo, huwag ka makikipagkita sa Lopez na yan, ah.
Itay, hindi naman po ako nakikipagkita sa kanya eh.
Huwag ka magsisinungaling. Kitang-kita
Oo, maganda rin ang presyo eh. Oo, maganda rin ang presyo eh. Oo, maganda rin ang presyo eh. Pero hindi bale, dahil birthday mo ngayon, kahit itong buong department store ito bibiling ko para sa'yo.
Totoo? Pati yung bisikleta yun?
Ha? Oo, oo, oo.
Maniwala ka dun sa daddy mo. Puro hangin lang ang laman ng tuktok niyan.
Yung mami mo, kontrabida sa akin. Para si Paquito Diaz. Parili mo nga sa puwet. Arnold. Naku. Naku. Arnold.
always believed that if we do well, we must also do something to help others and society. From your Henry C. giving you the action of learning the business lessons. And thank you, Dolphy, for making fun and to enter my mall and giving happiness to all consumers.
I want people to remember me as a simple person, a good person, whom people will talk about nicely. Walling masa sobbing masama, that's the best legacy I can leave for my children and grandchildren, a good name. And also I want people to remember me with a smile from your Dolphy giving my lessons in life. And thank you, Henry C., for entering me and my family on your mall with a great service.
Okay, you just discovered Dolphy and Henry C. also reunited as one. And we also watch, ito yung mga nanood ng The Best in the West, di ba? Doon pa nag-shooting si Dolphy sa SM Mall. And some of particular na mga mall na mga pinupuntahan niya. And of course, yung 1990s, 1980s. Okay, so we truly discovered the one businessman and the comedy man. Diba? Nag-reunited as one to give us a great production. In learning the entertainment of comedy and the business, of course, entertainment comedy is also being part of business because it's also your investment, it's also your job to make a happy person. As you earn, you need to work hard to think of a great joke or a great shows, di ba? Para yung mga tao mapasaya mo. Kasi they are trusting you. Di ba? Sabi nga ni Dolphy sa kanta niya, parang kailan lang walang bulsa ang aking, anong tawag doon? Again. Parang kailan lang ang aking tiyan at bulsa ay wala pang laman. Yan, alala ko na. Dahil sa inyo, nagkaroon ng bulsa at ako ay nakakain. Something like that. Sorry, medyo hindi ko familiar yung lyrics, but that is the song that Dolphy portrayed on his legacy. Diba? So, si Dolphy noon, parang Henry silang yun noon. Nagbebenta-benta lang ng sigarilyo, nagbebenta-benta lang ng mani. And then, the Lopez of ABS-CBN discovered Mr. Dolphy and he got work. Diba? Oo. At naging, ano na rin talaga siya. Speaking of business-minded, no, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo, aside, a while ago, you discovered that Dolphy Clean Up, that is a business property owned by the Quezon family after Mr. Dolphy passes away. Pinaka-rise up nila yun. This 20th century, ang Quezon family po, under by Dolphy, ay meron na rin pong real estate. Oh, hindi pa kakabog ang Tito Dolphy nyo. Kakabugin na yung SMDC ko neto. Oo. So, meron na po siyang SMD, meron na po siyang condominium, yung Dolphyville. We will discover, of course, with that, along the slides of our CSR on how Dolphy helped the people. And of course, the CSR of Toy Kingdom and the baby company, how Henry C. served his children or the people of his SM Supermall to put the peoples on his Toy Kingdom and the baby company. You will discover on this special CSR. Okay, thank you for watching and God bless to all of us. Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood ng ating video vlog. And this is once again the title, Kuskusin mo ang sapatos ni Tatang Lalabas si Dolphy. Studying the Toy Kingdom and Baby Company of SM Supermalls and discovering Henry C's relation to Dolphy in SM. So, naway may natutunan po kayong lahat. Discovering and learning the legacy of Dolphy and learning the legacy of your Tito Henry. Okay, once again, thank you very much to our special guest, Nathaniel Toquero as Dolphy. See you for my another video vlog. Subscribe and watch this video vlog. Buy also for only 150 pesos, 80 pesos for screen record, and buy it for 3 videos for only 150 pesos. Naka-promo po tayo up to this October, starting 20s up to November 25. Okay? So thank you. Mabuhay.